Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade Git when this is not available in the current repositories. As you can see, I was trying to install Brew in my system, but I'm getting this error. So first I'm going to remove the current Git installation. Okay. And then I need to add a new repository so you can search in your browser and you will find this. So I'm going to add it and already install the new repository entry. Then I'm going to install Git again. For this one, let me kill the process ID. Okay. It will install the new version. Okay, I'm going to say yes. And now I have the new version of Git. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.